Did you guys get your stimulus check yet? Mine literally hit maybe 3 days ago. I was actually surprised. It just got direct deposited to my account and I was like, yo, it's lit. Comment down below if you guys are on the stimulus check gang. Butters, did you get your stimulus yet? You got it too? That'll help you pay your rent and your phone bill. High five. Today is going to be an exciting day because we're dropping off the Lexus LS430 to get bagged. Yes, bagged. I have a couple things I gotta run first, so hope you guys are ready for the adventure today. Let's get it and let's go. We got some packages going out today, so huge shout out to everybody that supports the site. I appreciate you guys. Check it out right here if you guys want any sneakers or any custom goods. Shout out to my boy Rafcat for this. He gave it to me for Christmas, so we're gonna bust this thing open. This is a JDM Squash air freshener. How do you even open this thing? Oh, there we go. Oh my God, this thing is huge. How does this work? Does somebody know how to make this work? Hello? Hello? Bro, I gotta pop this out or something. I feel so dumb right now. What's the instructions on this? I have an idea. There we go. There we go. What's this? We have a little cracker. Whoa, that smells really good. Oh my God. Holy, this thing smells orgasmic. Pop this thing back in and we're good to go. Can y'all smell it? Wow, thanks again, homie. Right now I'm heading to Chipotle to pick up some food for our new friend Felipe. He's the guy that we have been helping out with the GoFundMe, helping out, you know, giving him survival stuff and all that. So today is his birthday, January 5th, so I figured I would bless him with a meal that he requested. So I was like, man, what do you want for your birthday? If you could eat anything right now, what would you eat? And he said a Chipotle burrito. And I was like, all right, cool, because that is very reasonable and I can make that happen for you. So today we're making one of his dreams come true and we're gonna get him an extremely juicy Chipotle burrito and drop in and say happy birthday real quick. And then we'll drop off the Lexus, talk to the homies over there. And today should be a good day, man. I'm ready. All right, Felipe wants Chipotle. Felipe gets Chipotle. It's 10:50 in the morning right now. It says that they open at 10:45. I've never been here this early, but I gotta get it because I got my appointment real soon. And this is the only time I have to drop it off. I'm sorry if it's a little early for Chipotle, but hopefully they're open and hopefully I'm able to get this burrito. Whoa, I look real orange right now. Oh my God. All right, anyways. Man, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. They open at 11, all right? The Yelp lied. So since we have 10 minutes, I'm gonna head over to Safeway and I'm gonna get him like a birthday cake. Nothing huge, but like maybe a slice of cake or something. I think that'd be cool. If it was my birthday, I'd be like, hey, I'm getting cake. It's lit. Hopefully Safeway got some cakes going on right now. All right, we secured our Chipotle burrito. We got him a birthday cake. We got him water. Where's that fork? Oh, fork is still here. Thank God. Good to go. We just dropped off the food, the cake, the water to Felipe and he was really happy, man. It's just a good feeling to help somebody that really appreciates what you're doing for them. I think he was just surprised that I remembered that it was his birthday and the cake and his favorite meal and all that was just like the icing. I talked to him for a little bit. He said that his part-time job that he had basically just laid him off, so the money that we raised for him is going to help him float for a very long time, man. If you haven't been keeping up with Instagram, I did a fundraiser for him. Friends and family were donating. A lot of you guys donated as well, and we raised $1,600 for him. So I went ahead and I rounded it up. I added my funds and I wired him $2,000 to his bank account. So that will help him float for a long time, especially in these times, man. He was working 2 days a week only. He was a dishwasher and they ended up cutting some people. So at least we're making his time here a lot better than if he was, you know, by himself. That's the vibe that I'm on, and I appreciate you guys for putting me in a position where I can help people. So thank y'all. What is going on? We got Ivan in the building. Baby. Dude, you're not cold?
No, I'm chilling, bro.
Dude, you matched the cat on your chest.
Hey. Shout out to Rafcat.
What do we have here?
No, this ain't nothing to me. No, this ain't nothing to me. You hate, y'all some wannabes. As far as I can see, quarantine, I stay to myself. Need my Doja, please. What you mean? I ball like Sharif. Y'all put me in the league. Y'all looking sad. What's with the long face? You got the wrong face. Need to go get you a big face. Carry some big weight. I had you on a Wednesday. That was last Wednesday. Baby, can we just be friends? Hey, that's what I meant to say. Getting to the money, I don't care what it takes. Stacking that cheddar. Tampa Bay. What you got to offer me? Make me wanna stay. I like steak and lobster day with some creme brulee, caramel and chocolate bay. She say it tastes good when she on one. Got a small bitch, need a tall one. Got a 5 bitch, need a raw one. Got a shy bitch, got a dog one. I'ma fuck them all till they all done. Got a Bravo and a dog one and a tall one.
Last look at it on coils. We about to look like that right there, man. Woo! That's how the rear's looking. Like I said, one of them is locked, so whoever wants to purchase this, it will be about this height. So it's lower than stock, but it's not hella slammed. The others work, but yeah, that's how the LS is looking. And then the fender is still messed up. Yikes. It's not horrible, but it's pretty bad. My headlights will get cleared soon. I just ordered new lenses for it. They're gonna get resealed. And we have a couple other things that we're working on for this. This is just a quick walk around before we drop it off completely. And I should have my wheels on here, just running the stocks for now. But yeah, super excited. Again, shout out to my boys over at VK Garage for making this possible. And we'll see this thing real soon. Thumbnail, thumbnail. All right, everyone, breathe. Breathe, we're gonna win this game. Who do you think's gonna win? Fitzgerald?
Dogs.
The Dogs?
Yeah.
I don't know, Fitzgerald has been pretty good this year.
I mean, the Dogs are playing pretty good defense. If you see him out there, he's pretty solid. Look at him.
I don't know, man, Timmy looks off today.
He's going hard. He's going off. Look at him run.
Dude, I didn't even realize there was a dog over there. Look at this setting, guys. We're on the bleachers right now. Got a Vietnamese iced coffee. Haven't ate anything all day. Fire wings for the win, baby. So we got some garlic noodle action on deck. Ooh, looks so good. And then we also have some chicken wings. Let's go in for our first sip though. First sip, Vietnamese iced coffee. That's it.
You got the battery acid?
Mm-hmm.
The battery acid.
We're gonna be cleaning the inside of the Tesla. It has been neglected. It needs a vacuum really bad. Ivan is going to be doing all this interior stuff. If you guys want to hit up Ivan for any jobs, Stay Glossy Auto Detailing. That's where you can book your appointments if you're in the Bay Area. I forgot to show you guys what these look like before because I was doing a TikTok. Cleaning the floor mats, guys. So to do that, we're hitting it with this interior cleaner. Just hit it with a couple sprays. I had this cool brush attachment for my drill, so I figured I would go ahead and use it. So we're hitting this whole thing up, and then to finish everything off, we're gonna be using this Meguiar's Natural Shine Protectant. So this is the final product. This looks so much better than what it used to look like. It used to have all this dirt and grime on it. So I'm basically hitting it off right here, and that's how we're cleaning everything. Ivan just finished doing this right here. He wiped down the entire seat, he cleaned the dash, he did the center console, and of course we did the vacuum on the interior. This looks so much better. Let me show you guys what it looked like before. Here is before. Look at all that, all those leaves just crunched up. Night and day difference. I've been meaning to clean this for the longest time, but I've been so busy. Brand new floor mats, looking mighty fine. Make sure you're following us on TikTok. TikTok at
Ivan_the creature.
I'm Sneakerhead in the Bay with 2 Y's on TikTok apparently, since somebody wants to take my name. That's cool.
All right, so I'm gonna update you guys on the interior. This is what it's looking like now. The mats are like super nice and clean. Shout out to Alex for cleaning those up. Vacuumed up everything. There's no dust, like all these crevices and stuff like that. You know the detailing gurus right here. We do some good work. So even cleaned out the trunk. That's what it's looking like. And yes, these batteries are Bluetooth for Teslas if you're curious about that. So shout out to Tesla for being super smart on that, because now you can just literally take it out of your trunk and put a new one in if it ever dies. So I like to follow up with my clients after I ceramic cut their stuff. I did Alex's wheels like, how long ago did I ceramic cut them?
Maybe like maybe 7 months ago or something.
7 months ago. All right. I just want to see how the hydrophobic property are holding up. Okay, so the water is definitely bleeding off pretty fast. Look at that, it just stays on the lip. That just helps clean up your wheels so much easier than if you were to like scrub them, because you can literally just take a pressure wash to them. So if you're in the market for that, hit me up at Stay Glossy Auto Detailing. I'm sure Alex will pull it up right here or down in the description. Make your life a little bit easier, and you can do your whole car too. Alex is just doing the little final touches, cleaning up the little screen, windows,
we're good to
and
go.
such. Dude, this is so clutch right here.
I hate doing the freaking windshield.
It takes forever, even as a detailer. Like, windshields are just a pain in the butt to do, but these definitely do help out.
What up, y'all? What up? Wow, holy, yeah, it is dark.
Are you continuing your vlog?
I'm continuing my vlog. We're out here with Mr. David Got Kicks, Ivan, and we are hitting the mall real quick. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Holy, what is going on? I need to get some shoes here, so that's what we're about to do. Look how cool this is, man. Mask on. Yo, we saw this last week, right? Original retail was $150. They knocked it down to $90 last week. Now it's $54 and it's 30% off today. 38 bucks and retail was $150. This might have to be a cop, man. Nike Air on the back.
I like this, remember?
And
what shoe did I say this would look good
metallic 5s.
Can we show them the tongue? Can we show them the tongue?
Oh, yeah.
Show them the tongue, show them the tongue.
Bro.
God. The last two are in our size as well. What are the chances?
You gotta walk around with this throughout the whole store. By the time you're about to leave, if you don't want it anymore, that's when you know it's an impulse buy.
Look, I'm not hopping on a train. I had one back in middle school. I just don't know what happened to them. This time I'm rocking with the lime greens.
What kind of pins are you gonna put on your Crocs? I'm just curious.
There's some Naruto ones, and I think my boy David Got Kicks.
Oh,
got
really?
some new ones up on his site. If y'all want to check it out, links down in the description. He's got some nice Air Force Ones, and
Who, me? Hey, yo, you already know we got the top of the line Crocs. We got some we got some Air Jordan ones. We got a whole bunch of stuff. Tons of different Croc pins. Okay, I can pay you for that shout out.
Okay, for sure. Thanks.
All right, guys, we are leaving the mall right now. I am super happy with my purchase.
Yeah.
Because we weren't gonna buy it at 150.
Heck no.
Definitely weren't gonna buy it at like 94.
Yeah.
40 bucks, can't go wrong.
40 bucks. That's a come up. And if we really wanted to flip it, we could flip it. They're selling on eBay right now for like what, 120? Is that the last one that you saw?
130 was the last one.
Dude, that's a come up. Just like the good old days. We're freaking shredding it up out here. Oh, dude. Gonna enjoy a nice little skate session. Oh, this is so smooth. It's so smooth. Oh, this is lit. David is vlogging again. Oh my God. Make sure you follow him on his vlog channel, guys. He's feeling motivated. He's gonna be making more videos in 2021.
We got Alex.
What's up?
And then we got the boy, the man, the myth, the legend.
I almost had it too.
Nigel Hudson? Fuck. I thought that was Tony Hawk for a second.
You slide into your DMs, baby. We back. There you go. I just need a little bit more speed. I'm sure I'm gonna carry it through.
Who's doing a trick? Ivan's up. Dude, oh my God.
Whoa.
Up next we have David Got Kicks.
Oh no.
Yeah. We're about to make a cringe TikTok. Seems that you guys have been enjoying the TikToks. David has been on it as well. Plug your TikTok. It's just David Got Kicks, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It is.
Can we get him to 20,000? 20,000 followers on TikTok?
Can we get me to
I feel like everything on TikTok is cringe, so that's okay, right?
All right, Ivan, close your eyes.
They're closed.
Put your hands out. It's me. You got me.
Oh Jesus. Oh, what's this?
Taste it. Bruh. Okay, I'm leaving.
Oh jeez. Hey, this is my second pair now. What's up? Hey, that's what's up, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. I can return the other ones.
Alright, y'all can make out now. Ooh, I like the Murakami one.
And we
That
got
was
the
fire.
Ferrari, baby. Hey, if I put this one on, it's gonna make me faster.
Hell yeah, dude.
When I was a young kid, I would go to Payless, and then I would try on the shoes, and then she would make me like run, see if they were
Oh,
like,
I used to do that too.
Yeah. Thank you, Dave.
And no, these are for you, Alex. I just realized I don't have any of Jordan 1s on this one, but I can bring you some more. Red one, Royal one, Union one, both colorways.
Hey, where can we find these?
Yeah, where can we find these? Where can we buy them and make you sell out?
HighBeastRS.com.
Yeah.
Y'all heard the man. Customize your Crocs.
Help me support my family.
We appreciate the hustle.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dave. We appreciate
Sure,
you.
dude, whatever.
After hours. I know it's already past the holiday season. Go grab yourself, maybe your friends, some pins,
And bless them.
and bless them. So it's cool. It's fun.
We had a fun day today, but we have to log off now. Catch y'all very soon for the next video. We're out.
Peace.
Deuces. Bye.